Hi, this is Komal Singh, and I have a small video to show how Google Sheet functions count and count a works. You can use these functions in spreadsheets to count number of. Okay, let's get started. First, select an empty cell and enter equal to count open parentheses. You will get number of entries in that column. Now let's try another column. Let's repeat the steps. Okay, let's get started. First, select an empty cell and enter equal to count open parentheses, select range, close parentheses, and hit enter. Look what we got, 0. Why? Because count does not read text, it only counts numbers. To count entries in text, we will use count A. This is how it goes. First, select an empty cell and enter equal to count A open parentheses, select range, close parentheses, and hit enter.